case number?
No, it's my last name's Conboy.
I was thinking it was a different, I'm sorry, I thought I was a different case I was thinking of. So let me look it up.
Like, do I need to go to the Hastings office, maybe?
You're looking for a divorce?
Yeah, I just know why my motion. I haven't been able to see my kids since June 28th, 2023, and which is a felony by everybody involved. I haven't been able to speak to them on the phone. So and why? I just want to know why I haven't been responded to. Even if you're going to decline my motion, you have to send a letter.
Do you have what kind of case is it?
It's a divorce.
Okay. And what's your last name?
Conboy.
Conboy.
Onboy.
First name?
Andrew.
And the other party's name?
Kirsten.
It's in Hastings, yeah, it's a use of force session 3 instructor meeting from 2:30 to 4:30 in Hastings.
So if you guys can't do anything here, I guess I can go to Hastings today. But I just want to know. I sent it here. Why has Judge Knutson not even responded to it?
You sent a motion here?
Yeah, and the woman I recorded the call on the phone.
And
She said she saw it on there, and she doesn't know why it wasn't accepted or even replied to.
Okay.
Because the stuff in this case is very egregious crimes against my children, like pedophilia, and that I've reported to these guys, and they've done nothing about. So I wouldn't want to be involved with this case.
And did you bring in the motion or send it in? Or how
Yeah,
did-
I filed it on your e-filing court
okay.
system,
And what day was that?
May 3rd.
Oh, back in May. So with the motion, there's usually a hearing. Did you have a hearing on your motion?
No, I just want to know why you haven't responded. Why has nobody sent me a letter about the motion?
Did you serve the other party?
Yep, yep.
And what court date was it scheduled for?
Are you? Can I just ask you this question? Are you showing that it's in your system?
Yeah.
What does it say? Can you read it to me?
It says petitioner's motion for custody and parenting time.
Can you read it? What else does it say?
Oh, I can print it if you want.
Yeah, can you print it off? And then that's what I want to know. Why didn't you reply to that? And then that's not the first motion you guys haven't replied to. I've had 3 motions during the case that haven't been even acknowledged.
So what was the hearing date set for on this motion?
That's what it was requesting.
You were requesting
Yeah,
a hearing date?
that's what. Yep, you should send me a letter giving me a hearing date, which nothing happened. So who can I speak to get a hearing? How do I request that?
You need to file the papers.
I know, but I did, and then you didn't reply. You know what I mean? You were in a little conundrum here.
So the motion that you file, the forms are on our website, and you schedule a court date with us. And
Yeah,
then-
that's what I did. That I don't think you're understanding. Why hasn't it been responded to? Is what I'm saying.
So here's the motion you filed.
Yeah. So why didn't I hear anything back about this? It's against the law. If I've not replied to.
And is the court date in your papers that you?
No, you should reply back with one.
I'm asking you if you put a court date in there before you served the other party.
No, I didn't. But again, the stuff I'm reporting in this motion, I mean, it should be investigated immediately.
And when you file a motion that.
Did they read it? I mean, did any judge read this?
It should have been addressed at a hearing.
Right, but a judge should at least read it in our system. So can
So
you
when
tell me
you-
which judge read it? Which judge actually read that?
So have you had a hearing since May?
Can you answer that question first? Because they have to read it.
The
Okay.
judge only reads it at the court hearing, and I don't show you've had a hearing, right?
They read it the day of the court hearing, is what you're saying?
Yeah, they don't make a ruling on it until the parties.
Because during our case, that's not what he said on transcript. I mean, they read all of our documents before the hearing so they can get ready for the case. You know what I
They
mean?
don't.
A judge wouldn't just show up to a case without reading that.
And this was May 6th of this year.
So can you tell me which judge read this?
On that Wednesday, and then they both have it entered in on the 15th also.
How do I get that in front of a judge if they haven't? Because they have to read it. It's against the law if it's not acknowledged. And then you're not even following your own laws then.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to schedule a hearing, you can do that.
That's what this is. So can you tell me which judge read it?
I don't show anybody did.
Nobody's read
It
it.
doesn't
Okay,
look
but
like you had a hearing on it at all.
okay, what's your name?
My name's Barb.
Barb what?
We don't give out our last names.
Okay. Thank you very much, Barb.